has nothing to do with negativity. It's the potential. And then countable nouns, they're not always masculine. However, the ones that interact, okay, like for example, how do you say a pen or a pencil in Serbian, Aryan?
Pencil is olovka.
Oh, it's different than stilo, isn't it?
Okay. What about pen?
Pen, we say chemiska. Like chemistry, like chemiska, because it has
Sounds
what about an
Chemicals
old
in it.
style? What about an old style feather pen?
Nalif pero. Pero it's like nalif. It's two words, but
Yeah.
it's more like it. Like
Yeah.
than
Okay.
no.
Yeah. So a lot of times, words were assigned gender and classes according to their function. So
in Spanish, it has bolígrafo.
Right. And estilo, the older style, is also masculine because of the shape of it, but also the function that it marks. Like the paper. But it's interesting that it has nothing to do with biological sex, but more like function, like the male and female. You're an electrician, Jeff, right? So the male and female tab, the ground and the hot, right? So gender is a concept that transcends biological sex. It even, is related to, these functions can happen in single-celled organisms that have no biological sex, right? So, like, it's just a principle. Magnets, right? Gender,
north and south.
right? So it's still like it's very similar. But as far as regeneration, and creation, like a battery has negative and positive terminals, but let's say the plug, you could say, is the male and the female receptacle, because it's talking about a cycle of generation and regeneration, right? So you have the unmanifest and the manifest, and it's in a cycle. Or the
Is it something related
object and the subject.
To like the G in Freemasonry, like generic